Hi guys, today I'm unboxing my blind bag and in the end I will show you how to make them. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so now we're gonna cut it right here. Okay, so I will take my scissors and I will open it. Okay, I haven't opened it. I can see something. Okay, let's pull it out. Oh, it's an Apple phone. And two more. Okay, so I will show you what's inside of this. Okay, so I will left it because it's too beautiful. Okay, so I will see what I've got. I've got an Apple phone. Look, it says Apple phone. Apple phone. Okay, so now I'm gonna check here what's inside this. Okay. Oh, such a beautiful bracelet. I like it. Oh, it has a little face on it. I love it. It's too beautiful. Okay, so this is one, and we will check the Apple phone. What's inside? Wow. Whoa, look at that. It's an Apple phone squishy. I like it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put these things in. And now I will show you how to make a blind bag. So let's put this in. Yes. Okay. Now I will show you now how to make a blind bag. Now take a piece of paper. Then you need to fold it. Okay, I've folded. Now you need to write something on this paper with a pencil. Okay, so I will draw something on this and write it, and then I will color it with some colors. Okay, so now I'm gonna write something on this. Now I've drawn it on this paper. So now let's color it. Okay, so now I've colored it. Is it beautiful? If you think it is beautiful, you should like and subscribe. Okay, now at the bottom like this, write the things that what I write. Okay, so I will show you a magic trick, okay? One, two, three. Look at this. Is it beautiful? Okay, so let's fold it like this and put it in here. Then take another piece of paper. Then you need to fold it like this. Yes, just like this. Okay, so now you need, if you want, you can draw now a squishy form, or like sort of, I will show you. Like we made it like this. Tape the sides and leave this side open. Okay, now you will make it. I will make a squishy form and I will color it and put it somewhere, and I will show you. I have drawn a kitty donut. Is it beautiful? Is it cute? Look at her teeny tiny eyes. Just look at them. Okay, so I'm gonna color it now with my color. Okay, my cat donut is done. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut it. Now I've cut it. Now you can do the flat. You can do the platform, and you can do it. And I will show you what that means. I've made a Sigma cat. Is it funny or not? Look, it's with glasses. Cool glasses. Okay, so now I'm gonna tape it, but very fast. Look, 1, 2, and 3. Look, it's all taped. It's so shiny. Look. See it? Can you see it? I can see it. Look. Here, it's all shiny. Okay, so now I'm gonna fill the squishy with paper. Okay, now I've taped the top and put the stuffing in, and now it's a squishy. So now I'm gonna make something else. You need to do it too. You need to take one more piece of paper and then fold it like I always say. And then you need to check what size you need that your squishy will need to fit. So you need to do the same. And now I will cut this and write something on it. I'm choosing the rare sign. Okay, so I will tape this side and this side. Okay, now I will put in my squishy in this. Look, it fits. Now you need to tape this tops. Okay, now I've taped it. And now I will show you. Look, this is like this. You need to tape it with the tape. This and this side. It's very important. Now, I've taped this both sides. Okay, so I've taped these sides, and when you tape this and put in the squishy in this, and you can put it here. And then you need to take like this piece of small paper and fold it like this. The size is not that important. Okay, so let's write you hot. And I got here. Okay, so this piece of paper, you can put it too. Okay, so I'm thinking now, what can I put in else? Okay, so I will do a magic trick again. I will put something in there. Look, it's just paper. And 1, 2, 3. Oh, look, what happened? Little Crony, what are you doing here? It's a little cute Crony toy. I like it. I got it for Christmas from Santa Claus. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back where it was. Okay, so now you can put something else in the blind bag. I feel that I don't want to put something else. So that's enough for me. And you will need to tape this top side. Okay, now I've taped the top, and okay, so my blind bag is made. So see you in another video. Bye.